Hello everyone, I've got some Halloween jewellery orders to make up to go out on Tuesday, so I thought I'd bring you along and make it into a tutorial. Just open these. Oops. So we've got some cards to put the earrings on when they're made, 2 pairs of pliers. We've got some charms, got some ghosts, spooky house, glittery pumpkins, some bats and skulls, and some earring wires. Make the ghost ones first. These are on my website www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. All of these are available if you want to have a go at making them yourself, or if you want to purchase any. Right. For these, what I'm going to do is the earring wires. It's very hard to see, but they do open by gently just going like this, or you can add a gold jump ring, but with this one they will just sit like this, so that's ideal. If this had been the other way, I would use a jump ring. So we just gently pull that to the side. Open it a bit more. There we go. We're just going to close it up now. It's perfect. Take an earring back. These are silicone. Pop it on the back. Thank you for all your orders over the bank holiday weekend. We really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, let's do another one. So again, it opens here. There we are. Attach the charm, and then we are going to close. I'm going to get under the bead. There we go. I do hope you've had a lovely bank holiday weekend. Let me know what you've been doing in the comments, because I'm nosy. I've got a poorly partner right now, so we couldn't do anything today, but I was thinking about going to Stratford-upon-Avon. So maybe we can go tomorrow. Again, with this one, we don't need a jump ring. Just use my nail to hold the bead up, slightly close. There we go. There's a spooky castle, haunted castle. Super cute. I've got some Christmas orders as well to make. Okay, take this one. Twist. Use my nail to hold it up. You don't have to have nails though. Whatever way works for you. There we go. There we are, there's those. Let's do the skulls. These are surgical steel earring wires. Great for very sensitive ears, like mine. I can wear these, no problem. There we go, those. Yes, if you look up surgical steel, not just stainless steel on the website, if you wanted to get the earring wires, there is a price difference, I'm afraid, though. So, and then close. I've just made some Halloween bracelets. And I've put some beaded bracelet kits on the website. Wrong one. The kits make up to 2 bracelets. There's some charms as well. And a couple of fluorescent beads. I think it's about 6 fluorescent beads in there. So if you want to check them out, they're on the website. Just listed. Those. Sparkly the pumpkins are. It's a shame I haven't got any white earring wires. Alright, so in these. Don't think I've opened those wide enough. No. So we just twist them to the side, turn them around and then close back up. There we go. I just find it easier to turn them upside down and open them that way. But whatever works best for you. Don't think I've opened it enough. No. So yeah, hopefully we can go to Stratford-upon-Avon tomorrow. I spent a lot of time there when I was younger. We used to have a narrowboat, and keep it on the River Avon. And I really miss boating. It's so relaxing on the canals. Okay, and these are the bat earrings now. Straight. Bring the backs on. Quite cute. Okay, the last one. These are made and I just have to pack them up over the weekend to go out on Tuesday. It's actually getting dark now. I've got the light on with daylight bulb. It can make it a bit tricky to see. There. So those are those earrings. So enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.